Please like and subscribe to our channel to see more videos on healthy eating and living. 14 foods to help you lose weight or manage your weight. The best foods for weight management and weight loss are those that are nutrient-dense, filling, and support a calorie deficit, which means you burn more calories than you consume. Food that provides a lot of vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients without packing on a lot of pounds. Cruciferous vegetables and non-starchy vegetables like leafy greens, broccoli, cauliflower, and peppers are low in calories but high in fiber and nutrients, making them filling and great for weight loss. They are also packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, which are essential for good health. Fruits like berries, apples, and pears are also rich in fiber and can satisfy sweet cravings in a healthier way. Foods like chicken breast, turkey, lean beef, tofu, and fish are rich in protein. Protein can help you feel full and satisfied, and it can also help to preserve muscle mass while you are losing weight. Legumes. Beans, lentils, and chickpeas are high in fiber and protein, making them excellent choices for weight management. They also have a low glycemic index, which helps control blood sugar levels. Whole grains. Whole grains are a good source of complex carbohydrates, which provide your body with sustained energy. Choose whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, oats, and whole wheat over refined grains. They provide more fiber and nutrients, helping you stay satisfied longer. Nuts and seeds. In moderation, nuts and seeds can be a healthy addition to your diet. They're rich in healthy fats and protein, which can keep you full. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and probiotics, which can aid digestion. Opt for plain, low-fat varieties to avoid added sugars. Eggs. Eggs are a good source of protein and healthy fats. Eating eggs for breakfast can help control hunger throughout the day. Low-fat dairy. Choose low-fat or skim dairy products like milk and cheese to reduce calorie intake while still getting essential nutrients. Spices and herbs. Flavoring your meals with spices and herbs like chili peppers, cinnamon, and ginger can add taste without extra calories. Water. Staying hydrated is essential for weight management. Sometimes thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Green tea. Green tea contains compounds like catechins that may boost metabolism and promote fat loss. Drinking it as a replacement for sugary beverages can help reduce calorie intake. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon, tuna, and mackerel, are good sources of protein and omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids have been shown to help reduce inflammation and promote weight loss. Avocados. Avocados are a good source of fiber, healthy fats, and vitamins. They can also help you feel full and satisfied. It's important to remember that while these foods can support weight management, portion control and overall calorie intake are crucial for weight loss.